So in this video, you'll learn how to temporarily mute your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So if you want to mute your tablet only for a specific amount of time, then what you're going to do is just to navigate to Settings, and under Settings, you're going to scroll and select the option Sounds and Vibration. From here, you should see Vibrate while ringing. So what you're going to do, in order for you to find the temporarily mute feature, is to simply select the option Mute. So you're going to have to put your tablet in mute. Once you've selected it, you should then see this temporarily mute, and you're just going to tap on the toggle to enable it. Once it's been enabled, you're then going to select how long you want it to mute for. By default, it's set to an hour. So when you tap on it, you can choose your custom period. So you have 2 hours, you have 3 hours, or you can choose to create your own custom timestamp by choosing the hour and the minute. Once you're happy with what you've chosen, it will just be muted for that specific amount of time. Once it's passed, it will then unmute itself and continue giving you system notifications. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll get back to you.